Has your account been disabled in the App Store and iTunes? If yes, this video is for you. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can fix your account that has been disabled in the Apple Store and iTunes. So without any further ado, let's just begin. First, what you'll need to do is go to your settings. After you're on your settings, just tap on your Apple ID and go to Apple account settings. After you're there, what you'll then need to do is go to your sign in and security. After you're there, you will see the change password option. Tap on change password, and here you will need to type in your mobile phone's password. And after you do that, you will get the option to change your password. Now simply just change your password and check if your account has been fixed and if it has been enabled again in the App Store and iTunes. If it has not been fixed, what you can do is just open up your web browser, go to Apple support, just search for Apple support, and then after you search for it, go to Apple support, tap on this link right here. You can simply go to support.apple.com too, and then tap on iPhone. After you've done that, scroll down, and if you find your particular problem here under the section, just tap on it. If you don't, you can scroll down all the way till you find the search bar. Now here you will see search for more topics. Now here what you can do is type in your problem, that is account disabled, has been disabled. So as you can see, my account has been disabled. Tap on it, and after you tap on it, it will take you to the fixes that the Apple support system has. So as you can see, it's right here. Now what you can do is you can scroll down. If you can fix this, if you have fixed it already, you don't need this. If you have not fixed it, tap on no there, and after you tap on no, you can simply type in your problem here. Make sure that you give them an email address that they can reply back to. And after you type in your problem here, you can tap on submit and they will get back to you and they will fix the problem for you. And that is basically how you fix this problem, guys. Thanks for watching. That is all for this video. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.